Hi, morning everyone, Richard here. So I'm out at the park again, but this time it's different. I'm on my bike. I haven't been cycling for a while, so I guess I have to do some cycling. But this time it's different because I'm doing CycleGraphy. So I'm going to cycle and photograph birds, wildlife, if I can find them. But this time I'm going to cover a larger distance. So hopefully I'll get some different photos from previously. So let's go on a cycle trip, right? CycleGraphy.
I've been crying all day 'cause I had big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment.
Okay, so I stop here because there's a tortoise basking in the sun there. So let's bring out the camera and get a shot of that. So I shot it with this 2x teleconverter on the RF 100 to 400. The turtle is there, and that's how it looks like, and that's the framing. And this is without the 2x, and this is with the 2x. You can see it's much zoom in and get very good clear shot for this. So let's move on and cycle and see what else we can find. Okay, the reason I can do this CycleGraphy is because look at this. This is with the 2x teleconverter. This is my camera bag, and it goes right in, and I can carry it around, you see, and cycle and photograph. So quite good, right? So it's fun. So this compactness is amazingly good. You can see it fits right in, and I can just zip it up and I continue my cycling. And if I see something, I'll bring it out and take photograph. That's cool. Some ATVs. That's fun. Look at that. ATVs. Pretty cool, right? Everyone's enjoying their day off. Sunday with the ATV. Well, I'm smelling the petrol fumes. So it's cool. So hopefully you can find some birds. So what you see on the right is the glamping ground where they do glamping. It's camping with glamour, right? So this is a camping ground, and these are for those people who want to camp but they want aircon. Look at that. Every one of it's got an aircon unit. So not like those days where we really camp outside. So that's a nice picture place here as well. Haven't been to this part, so it's great to cycle this side. And hopefully can explore new birds right on this side. So that's where the ATV is going up. Back to the camping. So luxurious camping, right? Like when we camp, we really camp with river water, no aircon, mosquitoes, and bathing and urinating in the same place. So there they go, and we shall explore other places as we go. This park is huge. Oh, that's a nice bird there. What's that? That looks like a boo-boo. Okay, anyway, let's see what else you can see here. There should be some birds here. Hopefully the video is not too shaky for you because going over rough terrains. Okay, that's a magpie robin. That's the guy there. That is a myna. So magpie robin is there. Hopefully I can. So there's a magpie robin. It's good of them to hang around. Normally they just fly off when I come. But today it's just nice hanging there and letting me take some photographs.
I've been crying all day cause I had big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for a moment. Somewhere. I'll be hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I'll never do what I want. I'll be hearing voices that guide me to my choices, but I'll never do what I want.
Okay, so I hope you liked the trip. Nice ride. I'm only covered half of the wetlands. That's the other half there because the weather is going to rain. If not, I would have gone to the other side. So I hope you like the photos and the videos. We shall try again. Next time we'll be covering that side. Hopefully the weather permits. So give me a thumbs up if you like this CycleGraphy. Sounds like a cycle guy, right? So anyway, cycling and photography. So hope you like it and see you on the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.